Do you want to view your friend's newest Facebook post in your timeline first, rather than allowing Facebook's algorithm to decide what you should see? Watch this video to learn how to view Facebook in chronological order on mobile. First, make sure your Facebook app is updated to the newest available version. Then, open Facebook and scroll down just a little on your timeline. You should see a menu bar appear at the top. And sometimes, as you scroll down, you may have to scroll back up. There it is. Tap Recent to switch your timeline to chronological order, with newest posts appearing first. If you tap Favorites, you'll see only posts from people and pages you favorited that have been shared in the last 3 days. Tap Home to switch back to the regular newsfeed based on Facebook's algorithm. To customize your newsfeed further, tap the switch on the right. You'll see the 3 options we just covered in this menu, as well as a shortcut to your newsfeed settings. Tap Newsfeed Preferences to manage these settings. Here you can add or remove people and pages from your favorites list to prioritize whose posts you see in your feed. You can also, this is your favorites list, you can also unfollow people to stop seeing their posts, reconnect with people you've unfollowed, and manage your snooze settings if you've temporarily snoozed someone to stop seeing posts for a while. That's it. If you guys found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more.